Hey y'all, so today I'm freestyling my hairstyle. I want to do like a heart part, like cornrow on the side up into a braided ponytail. So let's go ahead and try to do it. You guys know this is my favorite bonnet from Amazon. It's under $10 and it says on all night, just tie it on. So this hairstyle is inspired by the heart part, you know, that's trending. I'm also trying out this new edge control with caffeine. Well, it's Edgewax with caffeine. It's made with caffeine. So I don't know, I'll let y'all know how it feels. It's supposed to like stimulate hair growth. So the picture's on the screen. This is the picture I'm going by. Boom. And I parted out like a square area. So I'm gonna use this area to make the heart. They split it down the middle. I split it in half. Okay, we getting somewhere. So let's cut this part off. Okay, so I parted off a corner up there. And I'm gonna just slide it under this clip. These are my favorite clips. They are really sturdy for natural hair. So you gotta really part out your edges on this one. Okay, I got it. I got you. My eyes are getting crossed. Okay, so that's how much I parted out. I'm gonna put some gel on it. Okay, I did a little corner. Dang, this is hard. This is what I did. Part out the little corner, then part it alongside here, and then split this in half. And now we're gonna start braiding. I'm gonna braid this top half first. I'm gonna put some edge wax on it. I'm gonna clip up this half. Okay, so I edge control down this part and this part so that it stays out the way. So I'm gonna take 3 pieces, braid them, and then start to cornrow in the upwards direction. So we have the first section done, and then I'm gonna just continue to braid down, grabbing only this section. I need to look in the mirror. And I'm going to go down this way towards my ear. I gotta make sure I'm not grabbing the edges I parted out. I braided it, but I wanted to define the part a little bit more. So I redefined that edge. Now I'm pinching as I cornrow. So here we go. So that's it. So we have the first half done. So I'm gonna put this clip on. And I have some braiding hair here. It's pre-stretched and textured. My favorite braiding hair to use. So I'm gonna get 2 pieces. They're going to be fitting. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, feed it in under here, braid it on. Then I'm gonna take a second piece, feed it in underneath, line it up with these 2, and then braid it on. And then continue to braid. At my ends, I'm gonna put some edge wax so that they're seamless in the braid. Alright, so we have our first half. Now let's do the second half. This half shouldn't be as difficult as the first because I don't have edges to worry about. So we're gonna do the same thing. Part out the little tiny triangle and then clip it up. So I parted here. And I'm gonna take some edge wax and smooth that part back. And then also put some on the heart. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to match the curves. I split it like this to let it meet the middle point of the other half. Now I'm just gonna clip this part back to get it out the way. And I'm gonna put edge wax on the beginning part of the other half. Now I'm gonna take 3 pieces and braid them, then start grabbing hair to cornrow up. Pinching makes the braid tighter. So pinch as you grab. Okay, and now that I'm done that, braiding downward. So I'm taking a piece of hair and I'm gonna feed it underneath these 2. Then I'm gonna take one more, feed it underneath. And then take the edge wax and seal in my ends. Okay, so here we have the heart. Now I think I wanna sew this together. Alright, so I'm gonna sew it like this with the back one on top. So I sewed the two together. I don't know what I'm doing with this, but we'll figure it out later. The back is not going to be braided, just the front. Okay, so the cornrows are done. I'm going to use my Boar bristle brush and brush up the back. I usually wet the brush and then brush up. Now I'm gonna get my Edgewax and smooth it up. Now I'm gonna get a scrunchie and pull this all together. I'm gonna try to aim for right here. Now I'm gonna twist this all together and then secure it with another scrunchie. Yeah, that looks good. Now I don't know what to do about these edges. So you guys voted on Instagram for which ponytail I'm gonna use in my story, and let's see which one won. Journey Girl won. That was my favorite. Journey Girl. The second runner-up was Game Changer XL. I'll use that in another video. And the other one was the boho braid, and I'll use that in another video. We're gonna use Journey Girl, and then I'm going to change the battery first because it's dying. So this is the one I'm using, Model. Drawstring ponytail is called Journey Girl, and it's color 1B. This is how it looks. So let's see. This is actually the one I wanted to win. Because I just like how full it is, and I like that length. I found this in the hair store. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Curly, like a Dominican curl. It has 2 combs and a drawstring, which is what I need, a drawstring. So yeah, let's put it on after I do this TikTok. That's the Shrek one. Okay. Fluff it a little bit before I put it on. I might comb it out a little bit because I want it fluffy like the picture. I like this one. It's nice. The hair is soft, easy to brush or comb out. Glad you guys picked Journey Girl. Comb out some of these defined curls. Alright, so I'm gonna put the comb on top, situate it, and the back comb put underneath. So now both combs are on. So now I'm gonna pull the drawstring. 1 second. Technical difficulties. Clip this up. I don't want it to get in the way. Okay, I'm pulling the drawstring tight. On. Okay, it's on tight and good. I feel it. So I'm going to loop the string around and then use a bobby pin upside down to hold it. I'm gonna use like 2 more. I'm gonna fluff it up some. Okay, how do y'all like this one? I just don't know what to do about these edges. So this is it. I hope you love it. So I decided to actually put the ponytail into a bun, and I felt like it looked way cuter this way. So definitely try it out. I think it looks cute. So thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.